everyone, this is Saurabh. Welcome to Python Project YouTube channel. In this channel, you get many interesting Python project as a beginner. इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे how to make ghost prank through Python coding. So please like and share those who are newbie in Python, and if you are new viewer, then subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for notify our every video. So let's start this video. इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमें एक मॉड्यूल का रिक्वायरमेंट है नेम्ड एज pygame. So let's install pygame module using our cmd and write one command pip install pygame. Hit enter and wait for some time. And yes, as we expected, it will tell me requirement already satisfied. It means मैंने पहले से install किया है. If you are installing first time, then here it will prompt you successfully. Let's close this and then create a new Python file named as ghost prank. Hit enter and increase the size, and then we are importing pygame. Import pygame, and then from time we will import sleep method, and after that we will initialize the pygame module and pygame dot mixer module. So to do this, write pygame dot init and then pygame dot mixer dot init. Hit enter, and then we will create a window is equal to pygame dot display dot set mode. In set mode, write 0,0 coordinate and then comma pygame dot full screen, because we have to display full screen of your desktop or laptop. And then we will load a soothing music. Write pygame dot mixer dot music dot load. In load we will pass our soothing music. Here is our soothing mp3, and then hit enter, and then pygame dot we will play our music. Pygame dot mixer dot play mixer dot music dot play, and then we will call a sleep method. Take it for 5 seconds. It will hold our mp3 song for 5 seconds, and then let me copy this, paste it here, and in this we will pass our scary music. Here is our scary mp3, scary, and everything is here, and for 1 second. Then we have to create our image equal to pygame dot image dot load, and in this we will pass our ghost dot jpg image. Now we will take this and draw. Now we will take this and draw it on Windows screen using split method. So write window dot split. In this we will pass our image, comma coordinate 0 comma 0, and then call pygame dot display. We will updating our display with image, update, and then we will call a sleep method for 5 seconds. We will hold our image for 5 seconds. That's why we will call sleep equal to 5. And let's run this. I hope it will work fine. So as you can see, it will work perfectly. So that's it from this video. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. And one more thing, please subscribe our channel for these kinds of Python project. Thank you so much.